welcome back to the Sal Pitera channel, and today we are on board a great Carnival cruise ship. And one of the things I get the most from people who are thinking about traveling on board a cruise ship but are hesitant is they think that they're going to come on board and they're really going to be stuck on a tiny vessel with nothing to do, stuck at sea. You hear almost every excuse you could possibly imagine not to go on a cruise. But I'm here to tell you, everybody who's told me that, who's decided, you know what, they're going to give it a chance, has decided to become a lifelong cruiser, and most give up those land-based vacations to be on one of these mega ships. Now, I'm here to tell you that once you're on board, there is a ton of things to do, and they are so big that most of the time you don't even realize you're on a moving vessel. Like right now, we are in the middle of the Gulf of Mexico, and if you look behind me, I mean, it's like being in a giant skyscraper that's turned on its side. You really very rarely feel the waves going, so you don't even realize you're on a cruise ship. And then when you're on board, there is so many things to do on board a Carnival cruise. Everything from the casino, if you like to gamble, to your 5-star Broadway-style shows, trivia contests, the pool deck, things going on the schedule all day long. If you like to shop, there's even a mall on board for you to buy jewelry and souvenirs. But you'll never go without something to do on board these giant vessels. So trust me, if you decide to go on a cruise, you will absolutely enjoy yourself. I tell people that this is the cheapest and most expensive vacation you'll ever take, and here's why. For literally the price of a hotel room anywhere else, you can come on board a cruise ship for about $90 a day. And it's going to include your hotel, it's going to include most of your entertainment, it's going to include most of your food, and your transportation to an exotic island or several exotic islands during your voyage. So it's really the cheapest vacation you'll ever take. And the reason why I say it's the most expensive is once you do it once, I promise you're going to get addicted to it, and you're going to want to come on board a cruise ship for all of your vacations or most of your vacations. Don't take my word for it. Experience it once in your life, and I promise you'll be addicted. So this is Sal Pitera. Thank you for being part of our channel. We are aboard the beautiful Carnival Glory, and I hope to see you on board your next cruise.